Hello, everyone. Welcome once again. This is Dating Code, your dating and relationship coach, helping men and women to have a good and healthy relationship. Today, we are going to talk about relationship and why a relationship needs maintenance. Before I get started with anything here, everyone, please like my page, subscribe to this channel so that when I drop video, you will be notified and you will check the video and learn what I'm dropping. So, guys, today we're going to talk about maintenance. Maintenance is something that is very important in any relationship. And okay, I forgot to say, don't forget to drop comments under this video, what you learn or any question you have. If you've learned something, drop it under the comment section. And if there's a question you want to ask, drop it. So yeah, maintenance. Maintenance, you have to understand that is important in everything. And we are going to discuss about why that is important in a relationship. So going by the word maintenance, what does it mean to maintain something? It's when you have something good, great, something that has been created, something that is good, and you are preserving that thing. You are preserving it in a state where it doesn't get old, it doesn't get worn out, it doesn't look bad. That's maintenance. So maintenance is very important to keep something in a good condition. So in a relationship, you need maintenance. Think about it, just like any other thing in this world. What's that thing in this world that doesn't need maintenance? Tell me. Nothing. Everything needs maintenance. When you buy a car, you will need to maintain it to get the best out of that car. You can't buy a car and stop doing all the basic things that is required for the car to work perfectly. A house. You can't have a house, build a house, and stop doing everything to keep the house in a good condition. You can't do that. So why get too comfortable when you are in a relationship? A relationship, you must maintain it so that it continues to be in a good condition, healthy condition, where both of you continue to love each other. It is only normal when you buy a car or a house and after some time it gets old. It's no longer looking new like before again. So what happens when your car or your house is no longer looking new? Will you look at it like that? Imagine you driving your old car around. Do you think people will still look at it like, oh, that car is looking old? Your house also, the paint, everything is no longer shining. Will you leave it like that, or will you do something about it? If you look at some places in your house that looks like it's looking at like it's not strong, it's having problems, will you ignore it? No, you will likely pay attention to those things and you work on them. So just like that, it is normal for these things to fade, to look old. It is normal. So number one thing you must understand is your relationship is going to grow old. You've been in a relationship for some time or you are married. After some time, your relationship will look old. It will not give you that vibe it had in the beginning again. It is not. That's the reality of things. You know that energy you have when you still like each other, when you are in love, when that is over each other, it will not be there again. It will become old. It will not be as good as it was before. But what will you do? Will you leave it like that? So you should expect this from your relationship too. So if you're in a relationship right now and the relationship is not like before again, nothing is wrong with both of you. It is normal. It is normal. It is normal as long as both of you genuinely love each other from the start and the beginning. From the start. Yes. So now, how do you maintain this your relationship? So just like any other thing, if it's your car or your house, how do you maintain it? If you notice that there is something that is not working in your car, what do? You repair it immediately. What about your house? You do it. So when you notice that something is not working in your relationship, what do you do to it? You don't just ignore it. What is it that is going on in your relationship? Is it the way they communicate? The energy is not there like before. They are not motivated to talk to you. You don't just ignore it. Is it the way you go out to before? You no longer do things like that again because you feel like you are married to them. Yeah, they are committed to you now. So you have to look at the problem you are facing in your relationship. If it's a small problem, you have to look at it and fix it. Because if you keep on looking at it, you don't do anything about it, what will happen? Your relationship will break down because that problem will become small problem to big problem. So let's say you have a problem, an issue, right? You did something to your partner and they don't like it. You don't just leave them alone and ignore that they will be okay. They will be no, you call them, you discuss about it. If you were the one that was hurt, call your partner. This is what happened. Don't try to argue or blame anybody or complain. You want to understand that both of you are humans, you can make mistakes, and but the most important thing is coming together to see your mistakes and working on it. It's both of you coming together to work on those mistakes. That's how you'll be able to maintain it. So you let them know this is what happened, this is how I feel, this made me feel so bad, and I did not like that feeling. When you let them to understand that this made you feel so bad, it's your partner will understand. So this what I did that I didn't know that it would hurt them this much, really hurt them. Then they begin to think about how that made you feel and how they could have done things better. So knowing this and doing the right thing will help you to maintain your relationship. So all these little problems you are going to have problems in your relationship that can kill the love and the energy. That's one. You have to kill the love and the energy. So you have to be able to solve all those problems. By doing that, you'll be maintaining your relationship. Another point is you don't want to get too comfortable. You know all those things you were doing when both of you started and slowly you stop doing them. You don't want to stop. When you met them, you were going out together, doing beautiful things together, and you stopped. No, you have to keep doing those things to maintain the relationship. Just like look, think about a car. You have to service a car from time to time so that it will work because the engine, the oil you put there will run out. So just like that, you have to keep going out and doing fun things with your partner to keep the love alive. That's how you'll be able to maintain that relationship. You have to keep doing things. Another thing you can do is you have to you have to let your partner um yeah, you have to let your partner value you, miss you, want to be with you, ev- all those things. And how do you do this? So because you've been in a relationship together for a while, everything can start to get boring because you are used to each other, you have become familiar with each other. But you have to create all this new energy to make it feel new again. What do you have to do? Stop if you're always together all the time, stop being together all the time. Give them space a little bit. Be busy with your work. And when you come back, you see that kind of time of space where you do not see each other, where you are busy and a lot of things were happening where you cannot. And after then you meet each other, another space will create something desire, like it will make you feel hungry to want to see your partner. Unlike when you are with them all the time. So that hunger to see your partner will just make it feel new. It creates that feeling that it feels new, and that's something you should do. You have to create that new feeling in them again and again. Because when you are used to something all the time, that thing begin to lose value to you. So that means you stay with them, you talk to them, you You have to take some space, switch it up. Don't be talking all the time. Just switch it up. Let that space be there a little bit so that they'll begin to miss you and value you more. Because that's how nature is. When you are used to something, think about all the things you are used to. All the things you are used to, do you value them as much as when you don't have that thing or when that thing was new to you? No. So so these are three things I know you can do to maintain your relationship. All right. And most importantly, what you should have at the back of your mind is your relationship needs maintenance. You have to work on it. You have to look at how you can improve your relationship. You have to see how what you can do to make life easier for both of you. And that doing that will make your relationship good, better, and will be healthy. So you want to know that you don't just want to live your relationship like that. You're in a relationship, so but you have to be working on maintaining it. Just like you won't leave your house or your car like that. So that's it. So if you're in a relationship right now or you are married, don't forget you have to maintain the love, attraction, and feelings you both have for each other. It should not be like it was high in the beginning, it is low. Or it should not be like there is nothing at all. You have to maintain it, make sure you don't fight, you don't let small fights turn into a bigger one where both of you really start having big problems that will separate you. Yeah. So this is where we put it to a stop today. So if you're interested in talking to me one on one, you can click on my Telegram channel. Yeah. You can click on my Telegram channel and message me there through the in the pre-pin message we see where you can message. So and you can check out my new book, The Smartest Way to Date. That book guides you and tell you everything you need to know about dating, relationship, and everything. All right. Lastly, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's make the subscriber. Let's bring it up so that more people will be able to see this channel. All right. Thank you, everyone. See you the next time.